Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's me, Jay, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about two stocks that I own. One of them had some good news today, one of them not so much. All right, so the two stocks are going to be Dropbox and UAVS. Yes, the drone company Ag Eagle. We're going to talk a little bit about them because it was an interesting day for both of them. Dropbox had earnings, they did pretty good, and UAVS Ag Eagle got attacked by the short sellers and the stock dropped about 40% today, or it closed around like 30-40%. So let's get into the charts, see what's going on here, and yeah, we'll go from there. But first off, on Dropbox, we had earnings. So if I click over here, live news, we can check out their earnings. And they beat by a little bit, nothing too crazy, but it's still uh, a great beat, right? It's always good when companies beat earnings, isn't it? But here, where's this? There we go. So, fourth quarter revenue of $504 million, up 13% from last year. Okay, so that's pretty good. Beat by 13%. They beat all of the expected reports, and they did pretty good. Where's the stock at right now? Almost around $25. The expected move for Dropbox, if we go into the trade tab, we can see the expected move right here. Market makers expected move was $1.83. All right. So we can see my positions down here on Dropbox. So yes, I do own Dropbox. I didn't just make that video the other day or last week telling you to buy Dropbox when I don't own any. I own a lot of long-term calls on Dropbox. Okay, so I ended the day up about 11,000 on this position. Should look a little better tomorrow morning if we open up above 25 bucks. But yeah, price is staying within the expected move. Dropbox had great earnings, so definitely looking forward to holding this position. I do think Dropbox still has some more room to go higher before I would sell any of my position. And yeah, so that was good. Dropbox going to be looking good at the open tomorrow. I think they have a call later on, so we'll see how that goes. Any updates from the company? But also another company that has been attacked. All right, so let's take a look. UAVS. UAVS. All right, so they got attacked by a company called Bonitas Research, and this was like a short seller attack. Remember when what was it, like Hindenburg or something? Remember when that guy, his company came out with a report against Nikola, calling them fraud? This is like the same shit, but I'm not really buying into this one right here. The one with Nikola was, yeah, that was very real. And that guy took that company down to pieces. But this one, in the other hand, is not as serious, right? So he starts off saying, "We believe Ag Eagle, blah, 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 was a pump and dump orchestrated by Alpha Capital and Ag Eagle founder and former chairman Brett and other UAVS insiders to defraud U.S. investors." All right. In April 2020, they rumored a partnership between Amazon and Ag Eagle. I never saw this video, but I guess they had a promotional video uploaded, and it was about like a potential partnership with Amazon, which could have been true, could not be true. But I mean, that's all I got right here. All they're saying is they did some, scheme where they said they were going to partner with Amazon, and that drove a lot of hype into the stock. I get it, but it's not like Ag Eagle doesn't actually make real products and stuff. Okay, so let's see. Since then, a 54-page due diligence document has circulated on Reddit, which at various times the promo video suggested that Ag Eagle's partnership with Amazon was real. All right, all right. We found no evidence of any major e-commerce customer or any drone technology credited to Ag Eagle other than reference to the promo video leaked by Ag Eagle's founder. So they actually do. They created a drone. So if you don't know about UAVS, it's a drone company. They do drone delivery stuff, or they're working on that. And what they're saying is that UAVS doesn't have any drone technology, but that's not true. They recently made a drone that like delivers stuff to people on a golf course. Like when you're golfing, there's a cart lady that comes around and she gives you your drinks, your beer, your whatever, your food. And there's a golf course. Ag Eagle made a drone that delivered that stuff without the cart lady. It would just fly a drone over to you and boom, plop it onto your cart or whatever, however it works. But yeah, what they're saying is they don't have any real products, which that's not the case. All right, with Nikola in that report, which was from a different short seller, they had they attacked them because Nikola didn't have shit. They didn't have any real products. All right, it was all just like a marketing scheme. All right, so yeah, UAVS got attacked. The stock has been up crazy. I've been long the stock for a while, but just check this puppy out. All right, so it ran up from literally under, I think it was under $2 earlier this year or like late last year, and it ran up to like $18. All right, and now today you could see it's freaking down to $8. So about a 40% decline, almost 50 at some point today. But I do think this is gonna, I'm not buying into this short seller piece. I don't really like making decisions based off of somebody that's just betting that the company is gonna go to shit. But this drove a lot of panic today into UAVS. Did I sell any shares? No, I did not. I did not sell any shares, and I'm actually looking to buy some because we saw similar like the other day on eHang, which is another like technology company. EH is the ticker. Look what happened with this boy. EH. This one, the next day we got a nice bounce, and today it kind of sold off a little more. But that was the same kind of thing. Some fraud shit came out. And they were like, boom, and then the fucking stock panicked, and people started selling their shit. And then the next day it was back up and running. Took back some of the losses. Now it's kind of sideways again. But we'll see how that plays out. This is kind of similar scenario with UAVS, but since I'm a long-term, since I have a long-term vision with UAVS and the drone industry, I'm gonna hold this and probably add some more. I did buy my first position a little under $6, so if it does come back a little lower, I would get some more. And the next kind of support level would be this 200 EMA, which is about, it's at about $4.80 right here. Okay, so that would be the next dip buy opportunity for UAVS. They do have earnings on Friday after the bell, so this weekend. So we'll see what the hell their response is going to be to this. See what their numbers are looking like. But I am not giving up on UAVS. All right, so I do think this is going to be a good time to buy. Unless they come out and say, "Oh, we frauded you guys. Sorry." Then the stock is going to really take a tumble. But we'll see what their response is. So give it a little time, see how it goes. But yeah, as far as the markets sliding off a little bit, the whole markets in general. And yeah, I'm just holding. I'm not really day trading as much right now. Market's kind of tough to day trade right now. But I am using this opportunity to buy some dips, okay? So if you want to know what I'm getting into, I invite you to join into the stock options course down below. I put a discount on it, so go check that out. And yeah, you can see how I'm navigating around the stock market, learn, different option strategies to take advantage of this wacky market we are living in right now. But yeah, UAVS, this was a stock I alerted at around $5, $6 to all my course members. So we've been doing pretty good on it. And yeah, today was kind of the first day where we're like, uh-oh, what's going on? Can we add some here? But yeah, click the link down below if you want to get in. And I'll see you guys on the next free lesson. Peace.